Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Oster Touchscreen Blender, a sleek and powerful kitchen companion designed to make your blending tasks a breeze. With its easy-to-use touchscreen that cleans with just a wipe, this blender offers 2 auto programs for perfect smoothies and salsa at the touch of a button. Boasting a robust 800-watt motor, it effortlessly tackles the toughest ingredients, while the extra-large, 6-point stainless steel blade ensures smooth blending, slicing, crushing, chopping, or grinding of ice and other challenging components. The 6-cup Boroclass glass jar is not only dishwasher-safe but also thermal shock resistant, providing durability and convenience for your kitchen needs. Featuring 6 speed settings with pulse functionality, this multi-function blender adapts to your culinary creations with ease. Built to last, its all-metal drive is designed for up to 10,000 blends and comes with a limited 10-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. Crafted with high-quality materials like stainless steel, glass, and silicone, the Oster Touchscreen Blender is the perfect blend of style, functionality, and longevity for any home chef. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.